afternoon. We are super excited to show you our brand new bottle cutter that we invented, and this is the first ever demonstration of it to the public. So follow me along here as I show you our exciting new product. So as you can see, we have a Waffle Grid system, and we have roller bearings that plug into it with a cutting head, and then also a micro adjustable knob here so that you can adjust your scores to precision cuts. So let me just do you a quick demonstration here and how the wheels plug into the grid system. So all the components plug directly into the Waffle Grid. So your backstop has a micro adjustable wheel. I'm going to plug that into our grid. Then I will plug each individual roller bearing into the grid system. And then I have my cutting head plugged in here. So we will cut off the bottom of our bottle. Also in our kit comes a twist-a-cap, which is perfect for turning your bottle, for scoring bottles as well as heating your bottle during the thermoshock process. So I'm going to place that on the end of the bottle. We have a pair of Pyramex safety glasses that I'll be putting onto my eyes so that I do not hurt myself. Safety first, kids. And also an abrasive smoothing stone so that we can clean up any rough edges if we have any. So let's score our bottle. Place your bottle onto your roller bearings with the bottom of your bottle touching the backstop. If I needed to adjust where my score line was going to be, I can change any one of our modules to any part of the grid. And for our micro adjustments, I just turn this knob in the back of the backstop to adjust where my score is going to be. So I think that looks good. Let's score the bottle. Place one hand directly above on top of the bottle, pressing down with firm pressure. And with my other hand, I'm going to turn on the twist-a-cap at the top of the bottle. We're going to do one complete rotation around the bottle till the score meets on the other side. There, it clicked. We have a perfect score going all the way around the bottom of the bottle. And so now what we're going to do is heat up the score for about 3 minutes for a wine bottle.